Good morning, children. Today we will continue with the rational numbers. The previous day we have learned all the properties and its application in using them to fill the blanks. Now coming to our next question is multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Once again I am reading the question. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So first we will be writing the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 and then you will multiply with it. So here we will be writing solution. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 14, already you know that it is equal to minus 14 by 5. Symbols will not be changed, only the numbers, numerator becomes the denominator and denominator becomes the numerator to write the reciprocal of it. So reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is equal to minus 14 by 5. Now we should find out the product of those two numbers. What are the product? This 2 by 11 must be multiplied with minus 14 by 5 with the reciprocal of it. If you can cancel anything, you can cancel 2 and 11, 14 both are numerators. So we are not supposed to cancel them. If you can cancel any of this from the numerator to the denominator, then you can cancel. Otherwise, we will be just multiplying both the numerators and denominators separately. So 2 into minus 14 is equal to minus 28 by 11 into 5 is equal to minus 28 by 55 will be your answer. Once again I am explaining you. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. First we write the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 as minus 14 by 5. Then find out the product of it. When we multiply any of the two numbers or three numbers, we get the product. So product is equal to 2 by 11, this number, into reciprocal of it. Both of them, if you can cancel, you have to cancel. As you cannot cancel anything, then you multiply both the numerators. 2 into minus 14 is minus 28. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. So minus 28 by 55 is your answer for this question. Now coming to the next question, the fifth question in the same exercise. Which properties can be used in computing means calculating, in finding out the value of it. So in computing you are given 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. This is your question given to you. Some fractions and some numbers are given to you. And which properties can be used? Your question is not to solve it, but to find out the properties that we use to find out the value of this. As it is multiplying, see, this is also multiplication and this is also multiplication. This binomial operation is multiplication, this binomial operation is multiplication. Means here you can use all the multiplicative properties. What are the multiplicative properties? First one is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Inverse may be used to find out it. Next one is multiplicative identity. Next one is multiplicative identity. Identity can be used. Next one is associative property, that also can be under multiplication. Here there is no question of place changing. If you have place changing, then commutative property is applicable. Since you have no place changing, you simply can use this associative property under multiplication. So third one is associative property and associative property under multiplication. Under multiplication. So these are the three properties you can use to find out multiplication. Now you can use to find out the product of it. The other one that you can use is a closure property also may be used.